Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I am coming on to show you a purchase that I made through Amazon. So I purchased some strawberries that are going to be delivered in October, probably the middle or the first week or so of October. But I purchased 52 plugs. So I definitely need somewhere to grow them. So I went to Amazon and I found these planters. They're strawberry planters, or you can use it for herbs. But I bought two of them, so they'll hold 20 plants each. So I figured, hey, that's good. That'll take care of 40 of the strawberry plants. At any rate, this is a cheaper route than going with the green stalk. The green stalk is probably twice the price of this. Plus, you had to buy everything separately, which I just kind of thought was strange. Now, I also wanted to add that when I was setting this up, I'm so glad that I bought this with the tier of the T-pole that goes inside of it to keep it firm, because that really holds it together. It's flimsy without the dirt, and I think once I add the potting soil to it, that will put the weight to it and make it kind of sturdy. It doesn't have the reserve tank at the top, so I would have to hand water this. However, I did see one hookup where she had a drip line through it. I don't know if I can go to that extreme to do that, although I do have drip set up in my backyard. I don't know if I want it on this because I want to be able to move it and make it mobile. But yeah, anyway, here's the product. The link will be in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thanks for watching.
I didn't know there'd be troubles along the way. Nobody told me nothing. Nobody told me nothing. Nothing.
Different schools, 12 different years, that's 30 different teachers, over 10,000 different peers. And I done fought in every one, been suspended every time. Besides a few a felony and committed every crime. But never bragging, no, just want you to see me where I done been. I'm never proud of it, so I don't have to go back there again. And I used to go like house to house, sleeping on couch to couch, walk around sticking out my hands, looking for a handout. Only thing I handed out was more bills. Only thing pulled me out was my will. God told me that something don't chill, determined to make use of one of these skills. Either that or go beat the block. Ain't no way you can beat the cops. Ain't no way I can beat the clock. Just a matter of time. Shut down your shop. Oh, you stay up day and nights, living this way of life. I was young and restless, all my children came, and then I had a guy in life. No more that sitting, man, sitting and waiting and thinking somebody coming to take me up off the streets. But now I knew.
Nobody told me that the road would be easy. I don't believe I made it this far. My whole life, man, I've been working so hard, and I know nobody told me that the road would be easy. I can't believe I made it this far. My whole life, man, I've been working so hard, and I know.
I can tell you right now, I'm saying I can sit here and count on one hand how many people see me graduate. I know a few that did, but a bunch that ain't. Same folks showing up in swarms, waiting for me to go on. Wanna see that leap perform. What was this support before I became this household name? I was playing them little league games. Nobody cared if I go 0 for 3. Nobody out here root for me. And my mama supported me in everything. Why she get everything? Some people got the nerve to ask, y'all kiss my ass, and that's my mama. Got a sister that need my help, and it can't be solved with wealth. Give anything that I have just to see you're in perfect health. Now now we out here complaining. I got work to do. How bad you think you got it? Somebody else got it worse than you. I done had them down and ups and don't plan on coming back down. Don't plan on leaving her no time soon. I done got too comfortable now. Wouldn't have no knowledge of wealth without no knowledge of self. And I'ma keep walking this road. My mind, body, and soul. I know.
Nobody told me that the road would be easy.